JSON to be found. Parquet, Delta, XML2. Elusion's got the power to pull you through. Connect to OneLake, SharePoint's your friend. Azure Blob Storage, data without end. FTP, Postgres, MySQL inside. REST APIs flowing day and night. Elusion, let the data flow. High performance DataFrames, steal the show. Microsoft stack built for the engineer. Business logic crystal clear. Filter, join, aggregate with these. Chainable API that aims to please. Elusion, be yourself today. Write your queries your own way. Not for terabytes, so science extreme. Reasonable size is the business dream. Auto schema magic, user delight. Accuracy focused, getting it right. Redis caching, native speed. Pipeline scheduler for every need. Automate transformation, set them free. Data engineering symphony. Elusion, let the data flow. High performance DataFrames, steal the show. Microsoft stack built for the engineer. Business logic crystal clear. Filter, join, aggregate with these. Chainable API that aims to please. Elusion, be yourself today. Write your queries your own way. No SQL chains to hold you down. Not like PySpark, Pandas, or Polar's crown. Any sequence, any order works. That's the Elusion perk. Plotting features, dashboards,